revive and remanufacture once again. We, Hitachi Construction Machinery, have revived the strong arms, the tough heart, and the stable hips of the aging UH-07 hydraulic excavator. Only the engine remained at 7,862 cc, 150 horsepower, and 650 kilograms. It is the foundational core, the true testament to the excavator's vitality. When we saw the engine on the trestle, we instinctively felt that we could bring it back to life. The components that we had already revived boosted our confidence. So, we loosened the rusted, corroded, deformed, and hardened parts one by one. We all had one vision. A vision of the spark being ignited once again, the pistons reciprocating, the flywheel spinning. A vision of the six-cylinder engine emitting a roar from its six throats and through the exhaust manifold. We removed parts while drawing our own diagrams for disassembly. We created special tools to be used for the reassembly. And we restored the original parts as much as possible and tried to keep their original condition. We explored, attempted, took a step forward, a step backwards, and a step forwards again. And finally, the hydraulic excavator that has inherited both the memories and the body of UH-07 stepped forth on the earth that UH-07 once dug, gouged, and worked on. We are proud to revive and remanufacture once again.